Coyote culture is presented by the Cheyenne River Predator Hunters and TS Customs. Precision firearms built for success.
We're set up overlooking this stubble field. Got cricks kind of running around it. Prairie dog town out there, just perfect spot to call coyote in. And man, we didn't know what we were in for. This was just nuts. I mean, I couldn't hardly get a shot on one because they're weaving and coming in so fast and ducking and diving, and it's almost like it was a, simulator trying to train you for something. He shows up right down the left, and I wasn't able to get over there fast enough to get him shot. Well, then I looked behind, and there he is behind us. So I swung over and got that one shot, and finally got our first one down.
Shoot him when you're ready.
was intense.
Hopefully the video footage is good, because man, I was all over the place.
Freaking coyotes everywhere. Well, you hit that howl.
Yeah, I hit the
and
howl.
they're freaking. The whole countryside lit up.
That was awesome. But
Man, it's super tough to shoot them hard charging, duck and dive. And
right when they're running in like that.
Yeah. That's very tough.
I was trying to stop the first ones that were coming in, but my button, unless my gloves are just too big, I couldn't hit the button.
Yeah, I think if you would have just stopped it, they would have just kind of came in here and maybe just stood. Maybe not.
I was too busy trying to keep the camera on and waiting for you to fold him up.
I know.
And then
Yeah.
always tell ourselves not to get tunnel vision.
Right.
But I was too busy looking right here waiting for this one, and then these two showed up.
Man.
Like, what the heck?
I think there's, what was there, 5?
5, yep.
Yeah, 5 coyotes. Probably, realistically, a family group.
Yeah.
Maybe. But boy, that was wild.
It was pretty awesome.
That's a good way to start the morning, isn't it?
Right?
Got a triple out of 5. That just shows you, though, right there, guys, the power of the distress, the pup distress and stuff. I mean, this coyote, Plum, or the first 2, Plum, come in here, seen us,
Yep.
bolted out of here. We called that one back in.
Yep.
I mean, just the fights and the pup distress, the coyote sounds. You know, they think there's another coyote up here, so they come back.
Yep.
No, that's pretty good. Triple.
Yeah, triple.
We've been knocking down a few triples this year.
We have.
It's been pretty good.
That's why that coyote that was coming along that fence didn't want to come in, because these two, I bet, were just standing right over the hill.
Oh yeah, I bet you. Yep.
All right, well, we'll go
Yeah,
take these
he
coyotes.
dang sure
out.
looked like a younger coyote.
Yeah.
So
Go get these guys all gathered up.
I think I shot about 10 times.
Wish they would go over that little hill.
You ready? Wanna try him?
Yeah.
You gonna be good? Sometimes all you got to do is change or play the right sound. Just get one interested, and I was able to get 3 of them to come, but only one close enough for Derek to get a shot on. So. He'll come out here on the spot, Derek. Yeah, I don't know. I'll just wait. He might go a little bit further right. The other one will come out. Yeah, maybe they're dumping. Yeah. Well, we made something out of nothing there.
Right, we kind of had ourselves in a bad spot.
Yeah, we came in here and we
Had coyotes off to our left.
Yeah, there's 3 down there, huh? 4.
Yeah.
4 over here, and we wanted to initially call this spot, and we busted these 4 here.
Yeah, we got busted by these coyotes off to our left, so we kept coming in here, and sure enough, we seen 2 more out here bedded down. And ended up getting a couple of them to come in. One pretty close, and Derek dumped him down. So.
Yeah. I was kind of hoping they would have all went the same way, but they really split up.
Yeah, it wasn't very ideal.
No. If we could have got a little further out there and set up where we wanted to, would have been a different story.
Yeah.
But
Chili walked that one, huh?
yeah. L6XC doing work.
That's right.
Derek's going to get the coyote, and look over to my left, and out there a ways there's a few more coyotes, and these 2 are chasing this one away. So I'm like, holy cow. So I'm trying to tell Derek, stay down a little bit or whatever, and we wait till they get out of sight and sneak over, and we knew they were territorial. Well, as we're sneaking over, we found the one that chased off. We knew these other 2 coyotes were territorial, and I told Derek, I said, I'm pretty sure if we play a fight or something, they're gonna come right in. And sure enough, we kick on the call, and here they come. They come back right to where they had just ran away from.
Shoot that one out there. Shoot that one out there. They'll stop again. Yep. Well, Derek.
Well, I think we scared them out of here. Freaking pile of coyotes.
Pile of coyotes.
There's obviously something dead right here. Well, I got the uglier one of the 2 here.
Was she the uglier one?
That big sucker is all white.
Yeah.
I could even like see the blood. It had blood on it, so there's something freshly killed down here.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a ton of coyotes in this area. Usually when that happens, there's something dead usually.
Yeah.
They're all piled up in here. We seen 3 or 4 over here and 3 or 4 over here.
Yep.
So you generally don't have that many around. Got something dead. Kind of got that little them coyotes chasing that one off on video. That was kind of funny.
Yeah. Oh, whenever I was dragging the first one back that I shot.
Yeah, Derek was dragging the first one back, and I just happened to look behind me, and there's a coyote sitting back here on his butt. Well, then as you were coming back, the other 2 come out from over here and come and chase his butt away. That's pretty funny. But,
Yeah. Well, I'll go grab this one, and maybe I'll see what's dead down there.
yeah, check it out. Well, Derek went and got his coyote. I got the pickup. Checked it out, and what'd you find, Derek?
There's a freshly killed doe down there, probably a yearling or so. It wasn't very big.
Huh.
Still, yeah, it's still fresh. I even touched it. It was even warm yet. They literally just got done with it.
Freaking going crazy over here over it.
It's an old dog here. Missing a canine and everything.
Yeah.
It's
Female?
pretty.
Is it female?
Male.
Male?
Male.
Oh yeah.
Put a good shot on him.
Nice.
But he's nice.
Yeah. Well, that's all we got today, guys. I think this will probably be making episodes, so.
Oh, there's one more laying down here somewhere. Just gotta go find him.
Yep. We got couple triples. I guess you could probably call them a couple triples though.
Yeah.
First one this morning, and then today we made a set right over the hill here. Called that one in, or them 3, and got the one, and then Derek is going to get that coyote. Saw some more and got some more.
Yeah.
So, nice little slew of coyotes. So
You betcha.
well, thanks for watching Coyote Culture, guys.
Next time on Coyote Culture, Rocky and Dakota are on a roll when Rocky drops a coyote on the run. Then Lonnie and Damon are out with shooting buddy Chris. They're trying to get him his very first coyote. That's on the next episode of Coyote Culture.